Hey guys, today I've got in a package from LeandreN. This is his group buy that he's just running at the minute. So inside here is a Spirit PCB, a top plate, which is anodized blue, and we're actually checking out for LeandreN and for the sake of the group buy, because he sent this all the way from Norway, we're going to check how it's arrived here in the US. So it's obviously come out of it's come out of the paper envelope that it was in. That seemed to go okay. Actually, Steph took it out of the envelope even before I got home, so I can't comment on how that stood up. All right, that should be enough of the, I was going to say it's enough of the knife for now, but it's not. There's some extra bits in here that LeandreN and I traded, like these Cherry MX clear switches, but that's not why we're here. But you know what? This is just the plate. This isn't the PCB as well. Gotta be careful, I don't want to scratch the plate with my knife. Okay, so that's the arrival of the plate. You know, I do get the problems that he's having with the color reproduction. I'm just looking on the screen here, and it's not very accurate. Actually, right there, I'm not going to move it because the light angle, but that is a pretty close reproduction of the color, I think. At least it looks it on this screen. There you have it. Okay, so how did it turn out? It turned out pretty good. You can see there's a slight bend in it, but it's certainly not, it's not by any stretch bad. There, can you see that? Okay, well, it's not much of a video for today. That's really all it was, just to check out how this package would have arrived. The packaging seems good. It seems like it would have been pretty difficult. Let me just, I mean, that is essentially the sort of bend it's probably withstood. Okay, well, that's it for me for today. If you have any comments or questions, post them in the About section below. Sorry, I'm looking at it backwards there. Don't want to make that mistake, do I, guys? Especially not with how brutal our forum can be. Huh? If you put your thing together backwards. Nobody knows what I'm talking about, and nobody is giving this video a like. But if you did like it, you can give me a like. Give me a thumbs down if you didn't like it. If you found it particularly useful, of course, you can buy me a coffee in the About section below. Any comments, please ask. Yeah, I got this through LeandreN on Reddit, through Reddit Mech Market, and if you guys aren't already there, you should definitely sign up as soon as you possibly can. Cool, thanks for watching.